Today is a wonderful day. Make me nostalgia with my mom's cook. I learned how to cook since I was 7 years old. One of my favorite food is beef rendang. Food from Indonesia with a high flavor and it's tasty. And here we are, we just done bought the ingredients for our beef rendang. And make sure you choose the fresh ingredients and don't forget when you arrive home to wash your hand. So before that, make sure you wash the ingredients and here are the ingredients that you need. For chili, it's optional. And here, let's get started. First, pour some oil to the pan with a medium heat and you can start to pour the ingredients to the pan and you can stir it. Once it's mixed well, you can cover the pan and you leave it around 5 to 10 minutes. Secondly, you may start to pour the ingredients, some coconut and some water, and don't forget to mix it well. Thirdly, after you mix it well, now you may start to add some salt, stock, and sugar. Then, for easier action, I set a timing every 15 to 20 minutes to stir the beef rendang so won't cause much burn. Then, once the water dry, you may start to plating. To eat this beef rendang, there are different kind variant that you may try. This food sweet to eat with rice, with lontong. If with lontong, normally people eat this when idul fitri or Eid Mubarak, with porridge and also with noodle. It's delicious and you can taste the high ingredients and you may eat this with your family and your friend. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you like it and you can try this at home with a simple ingredients and a simple tutorial.